Heavy-duty doghouse end table furniture with 4 doors. Transform your dog's space with this sturdy kennel. Heavy metal tube construction with high strength, high resistance to rust and bend. Thick metal bars more robust and resistant to bite than the thin wires, anti-deform. You can merge 2 or 3 crate via the screws into a larger crate without limit. With a divider panel, can be removed for accommodating multiple small puppies. Featuring a divider panel inside, allowing your dog to use the cage with or without it. Furniture-style indoor kennel, perfect blend of metal bars and wooden style. Equipped with a MDF tabletop, great for placing any decorations or dog necessities. With 4 lock latches to keep the doors securely shut, prevents dogs from escaping. Placing a snug dog bed between the crate bottom and your pup, have a solid sleep. The package includes hardware and easy-to-follow instructions on putting it together. Specifications. Type: dog cage. Door: 4 doors. Features: end table, crate, with divider. Material: 65% metal iron plus 35% MDF. Color: black plus dark walnut wood. Net weight: 26.4 kilograms, 58.2 pounds. Weight capacity: 50 kilograms, 110 pounds. Product dimension: L*W*H 90 by 62 by 68.5 centimeters, 35.4 x 24.4 x 27 inch. Interior space: L*W*H 85.5 x 61.2 x 56.1 centimeters, 33.7 x 24.1 by 22.1 inch.